Did I talk to you earlier? Did you pray for me? Oh, okay.
What's your name?
Jimmy. Hey, God bless, brother.
Pronounce his name.
Would you like a mask?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
To shoot my black ass. Like I've been shot before. That's my other person fucking ass.
God bless you guys. God bless. Stay strong. God bless.
Where's your mask? Why aren't you wearing a mask?
So you don't want to get into the science of the mask, dude. You don't want to get into the science of the mask. I was one of you. Hey, they're just doing a job for the most part.
Doing shit.
All right.
That's the only damn way they be trying to shoot my ass right now.
Hey, I don't know, man. I don't know about that. I don't know if I agree with that. Brother, we're in America. This is the freest country you guys are gonna get. Where are you gonna go?
I've lived in England.
You think England's free? Oh my goodness.
Get your ass over.
No, don't. Hey, I'm an American. Don't tell me what to do.
You're a provocateur.
No, I'm not. Hey, I'm not on any side. Hey, you guys are allowed to talk. Let me talk. No, I'm not. Hey, you need to stop it, sir. Don't use words like that. I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
Free in this fucking country.
Look, we don't need that. That's not a right spirit. Hey, we reap what we sow. We reap what we sow. All of us. Hey, it is what it is, guys. Hey, this is my town. My grandma lives down the street, okay? I have freedom of speech. What about my freedom of speech? But what about me? Okay, let me be. Hey.
It's about our fucking
Then let's agree to disagree. Stop. Nuts. You're nuts. You're nuts. We all can talk. All of us. Why can't I talk? Why can I not talk? Why are you guys silencing me? Why are you silencing me? I'm on Jesus' side. I'm with Jesus. I'm with Jesus. I'm with Jesus.
Let go.
I don't have to go. This is my city. I'm from. Are you from here? Are you from here? Okay. I'm from here. Hey, we all deserve freedom of speech.
No Trump. No KKK. No racist USA.
Freedom of speech.
No Trump.
Don't
No
ruin
Trump.
it.
No KKK. No racist USA.
Get the fuck out of here.
This is insane. This is America.
This is my city too.
All right, hey, no. Stop. I'm not going.
Come on, let's go.
I'm not going.
Let's go.
Stop, man. Calm down. I can defend myself.
You're
I got
causing
Jesus.
problems for everybody else.
Don't assault me. Don't assault me. Wait. I have liberties too. I can talk too. Do your protest. Go do your protest. Go do your.
Shut the fuck up! You're a bitch!
This is insane!
You're a bitch! Get the fuck
No! This is America! I can talk too! This is my city!
You can talk over there.
They don't even live here, most of them! All right. Just leave me alone, all right? Just leave me alone. Dude, hey, get righteous. Get Jesus. Get Jesus. Dude!
You're gonna stop.
You're starting a problem.
Go over here now.
This is America. What about my liberties? I love America.
Ways of living. No.
All right. I'll go that way. I'll go towards my grandma's house. She lives down the street.
Please go around.
Unbelievable. You guys are giving up all our rights for this shit. They're stealing them. They're the communists. They're the ones shutting down free speech. I can't believe this crap. In La Mesa. Look at me. I'm a minority. What the fudge?
I'm gonna drive up the top.
How are you more impressed than me?
You're shut down. How do you feel about that?
Between them, no. Hinge.
Yeah, you heard.
We're all Americans. I'm not against you. We're all Americans. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love all you. I ain't got nothing against any of you guys. We need to protect freedom of speech for everyone.
Wilmington. I'll bring this shit to your fucking house.
We gotta protect freedom of speech for everybody. Freedom of speech is for everybody. You guys can protest. I'm not against your protest. But don't be against my protest. No fear. Jesus ain't about fear. I'm not gonna fear. I'd rather be dead than be fear in America. What's wrong with you people? God bless you all. I know you guys are citizens just like all of us. God bless you all. They will not divide us. They will. I'm with you guys. Look at me. How did I get a college degree? Huh? Answer that if I'm so oppressed. How? How? Get educated! You guys are ignorant! You're ruining America! Bullshit, man! Freaking this thing. It's insane, man. This is crazy in La Mesa.